Guangzhou DTECH Electronics Technology Company Limited, established in 2006, is a professional audio and video manufacturer and exporter, which is focused on research development, production and sales of audio and video products such as HDMI cable, HDMI fiber cable, HDMI extender, HDMI splitter switcher, converter, USB serial cable, industrial converter, adapter, and Type-C. With 4,000 square meter factory and 123 staff, our production strictly complies with ISO 9001 standard. As national high-tech enterprises, we have several national utility model patents and invention patents. We have an R&D team with over 10 years' experience providing professional solutions and technology support for you. With automatic SMT processing, AOI testing, semi-finished products inspection, assembling and finished products inspection, and large cargo sampling ensure the quick delivery and guarantee customers' satisfaction. Our independent QC department greatly enhances the product's quality and makes a qualification rate of 99.9%. Our products are well appreciated by customers at home and abroad, such as Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, and Oceania. If you are interested in our products, please contact us freely. We can provide OEM and ODM services in a variety of related products. Just tell us your requirements. We are sincerely looking for global agents and distributors, now welcome to join us. Thanks for your time.